So standing in that good posture, crown up towards the sky, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose. So aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the feet together, bring the palms together. Inhale, lengthen up through the arms. Exhale gently to the side. Then come back to the middle. Inhale, exhale to the other side. And back to the middle. Inhale, exhale over. And center. Inhale and exhale. And back to center. One more each side. Inhale and exhale. And back. Inhale and exhale. And coming back, bringing the arms down, bring the feet back to hip width, and just roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. So we're coming into triangle pose. I'm going to turn that left foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled, body facing forwards. Inhale, exhale to the side, bring one arm down and the other one straight up. So engage those core muscles. Come back to the middle, and again, inhale first, exhale reach, and then one arm down, one arm up. So remember to keep breathing as well. Back to the center. So inhale, exhale reach, and bring the arm down, one up. Now if the head feels okay, then look up to that upper hand. Remember palm facing forwards. And come back to center, turn the feet around, and we'll do 3 on the other side. Remember to engage that front thigh. Inhale, exhale, bring the arms down, one up. Back to the middle. Inhale, exhale, and bring the arm down and one up. Coming back to center, so one more, inhale, exhale, reach as far as we can, and then bring those arms out. So we try and get the shoulders in line if we can, and look up to the upper hand, and come back to the middle, bring the arms down. Now we'll take the feet a little bit wider than hip width, bending the knees slightly, hands on the hips, and we're just going to work into the pelvic area. So imagine using that hula hoop, but also tilting the pelvis backwards and forwards, and then we'll go around the other way. And swap again. And then one more change. Now we'll try the balance pose cross crawl. So bringing the left leg up, belly button squeezed in, and then taking the right hand to the outside of that knee. Now if that's steady, twist at the waist towards the bent leg. Try and hold there if you can. And we'll do the other side. So bring the right leg up, take the opposite hand to that knee, and then twist at the waist towards the bent leg. Now we can do that again, or we can take it further. So let's bring the right leg up, left hand to the knee, twist at the waist, and if you can, bring the right arm up to shoulder level, palm facing forwards, and maybe even look to that hand. Then don't worry if you wobble around a bit. We'll do the other side. So, left leg up, right hand to the knee, twist at the waist, and bring the left arm up. Try and look to that back hand. So if you do fall down from it, then just come back into the pose and just keep giving it a go. It's all down to practice. So we'll do one more each side, and we'll try and work with the breathing. So it's the right leg up, we'll inhale, exhale, take the left hand to the knee, inhale, exhale, twist at the waist, inhale, bring that right arm up, inhale, exhale, look to the hand, hold if you can for a couple of breaths. Some days are easier than others. So not that leg, I'm bringing the left leg up, inhale, exhale, right hand to the knee, inhale, exhale, twist, inhale, exhale, bring the arm up, inhale, exhale, look to that hand, and give up for today. So we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. Imagine that crown up towards the sky, chin parallel. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. And just notice if the breathing slows down, body relaxes. Then we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.